Ultima is a new generation of pure air, oil-free compressor, where a series of pioneering innovations has enabled us to combine ultimate performance and ultimate efficiency within a strikingly small form factor.
Yeah, the exciting thing about this new air-cooled Ultima is, on the one hand, it combines all the features that we already know from the water-cooled Ultima. That means best efficiency, best-in-class footprint, best-in-class noise level, but at the same time it comes up with several other unique features. First of all, to mention, it is the first and only air-cooled oil-free compressor in the world which is applicable to heat recovery. Yeah, typically in a conventional oil-free air-cooled compressor, you always have the problem your waste heat is more or less blown to the atmosphere and is lost. And now with this air-cooled Ultima, for the first time ever, it is possible to recover this heat, and by that the customer can save 10,000 € each year